Hello and welcome to another Rocket Node tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to change a Minecraft server's view distance. To begin with, the view distance setting plays a crucial role in determining the player's visibility range within the Minecraft world based on chunks. By adjusting this setting, you can optimize your server's performance and strike a better balance between the distance player can see and the system resources utilized. Follow these steps to change your Minecraft server's view distance using Rocket Node's control panel. The first thing that you're gonna have to do is to go to panel.rocketnode.net. From here, select the server you want to proceed with. And before changing anything, make sure that your server is stopped. You can do this just by pressing on the stop button. Give it a few seconds and you're ready to go. Now, the next step would be to go to File Manager. Here, scroll down until you see server.properties. Open it. In the server.properties document, you're gonna see a lot of settings, but what we're looking for will be view distance. So if you scroll around here and look for it, here it is. On default, it's set to 10, but the view distance values should be around 3 and 10. It is generally recommended to keep it within the range of 6 to 8 for optimal performances. Lower values conserve RAM and improve server performance, while higher values allow players to see further into the Minecraft world. Avoid setting the view distance higher than 10. Doing so may result in higher CPU usage due to the increased number of chunks, rendering in potential affecting overall the server performance. In this example, let's go with 8 chunks. Now I just press on Save Content, go back to the console tab and press Start. And it's this easy to change the view distance. If you have any questions, don't forget to go to the Discord link down in the description and open a ticket, as our support team will be more than happy to help you. See you in the next one.